Hello and welcome to this video and to this channel, Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Scott and it's my goal here on Scott Grows an Avocado Tree to grow an avocado tree from seed to the point of bearing fruit and document the process. Sometimes I also share my related endeavours. Last year I started an Instagram account, Scott Grows an Avocado Tree, where I can post my other avocado and other plant related pictures and things. And that's been a great time, and I actually got a little bit more of a following on Instagram than I do on YouTube, which is a lot of fun. Now, over the last little while, I've been receiving 2 or 3 messages a week asking for advice about how to care for avocado trees, whether it be somebody has a problem or someone would like to know what to do with their avocado trees. And of course, I've been very happy to help them because I've been growing avocado trees for 3 or 4 years now, nearly 2 years on YouTube, and I've learned a lot through my own experiences and researching. And that got me thinking. Now, there are a number of very common avocado problems, but also a range of less common avocado problems. And I've been learning about all sorts of issues with avocado trees, and I would love to share these with you. And I think that this YouTube channel is the perfect platform to share this information. And that's why I'm going to be launching a new kind of video, and I'm calling it Ask Scott. Kind of like an advice column in a newspaper or something. I just wanted a cutesy name. So if you have any questions about caring for avocado trees, whether it be you have a problem or you just like some advice of what to do, such as how to prune your avocado tree, please head over to Instagram at Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Message me your question and send me some pictures as well. I might have some follow-up questions for you, and who knows, we might be able to feature your question on a future video of Ask Scott. So that information once more, if you have a question about caring for avocado trees, send me a message at Scott Grows an Avocado Tree on Instagram. Give me a photo of your tree as well, and who knows, we might be able to include that in a future Ask Scott video. I'm so excited for this project that I even made an animated intro. Here it is.
If you've got avocado problems, ask Scott.
So send me through your avocado tree questions and I'll do my very best to give you an answer. Please make sure you subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any future episodes of Ask Scott or any of the other videos that I make on this channel. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.